Axis Sound Analytic Integration with exacqVision 26.1. In this video, we'll demonstrate how integrating Axis Audio Analytics enhances your security system by enabling intelligent sound detection, allowing you to quickly identify and investigate critical events. With this integration, exacqVision can leverage advanced audio AI capabilities from Axis cameras, including detection of sounds such as glass breaking, shouting, screaming, and speech. These audio events can be used as event sources, enabling users to search, correlate, and investigate footage more efficiently. The integration supports Axis cameras running Axis OS 11.9 or higher, including models like the Axis M3086V, P3267LVE, and P9117PV. On the Axis Camera Web GUI, navigate to Analytics, Axis Audio Analytics. Events such as glass break, scream, shout, and speech have been integrated into exacq. You can configure this page as required for your environment. In exacqVision client, if the camera has not already been added, you can add it as normal. Navigate to the camera and select the Analytics tab. The above threshold upper and below threshold lower audio analytics settings are displayed. You can configure the settings as required. Navigate to event linking. You can configure events as required, for example, log an event when glass break is detected. I'm repeating the same process for each audio analytic type. You can also utilize event monitoring. Configure the settings as required. I'm going to monitor all of the audio analytic types. For the purpose of this demo, I'm just going to use the integrated Axis test functionality to trigger the events for each audio type. When triggered, you'll see the events appear in exacqVision, allowing you to validate your configuration. One of the key benefits of this integration is the ability to search for audio events. Simply navigate to the search page, filter by analytic events, and quickly locate relevant footage tied to specific sounds. This dramatically improves investigation speed and accuracy. By integrating Axis Sound Analytics with exacqVision 26.1, you gain a more intelligent, responsive, and efficient security system. Thanks for watching.